Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to graph the function by hand, not by plotting points, but by starting with the graph of one of the standard functions. Here we have y is equal to the absolute value of x, and then applying the appropriate transformations. In this problem, we have y is equal to the absolute value of x minus 2. So subtracting 2 here from our function means that we have a shift of 2 units. Since it's happening within the function, right, it's not the absolute value of x minus 2. It's the absolute value of x minus 2, all within the absolute value. This is a horizontal shift. And since we are subtracting 2, that it means it's to the right. So now we take a look at our function, and we just move all of the points over to the left. So let's take the origin, and let's move it to 2, 0. And then we just have to draw a function that runs parallel, but just 2 units to the right. So here we have our absolute value of x and absolute value of x minus 2.